Hi sisters, James Charles here. Oh, just kidding. What's up guys? My name is Alonzo Vaughn. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Why? Because you guys are already here. Second, you want to see more videos. I am going to be trying a makeup tutorial today on myself, by myself. And I'm going to be using my sister's makeup because I don't have any of my own. The makeup tutorial that I'm gonna be following is the Nikkie Tutorials Extreme Summer Glam Transformation.
Now it's time for foundation, and my favorite at the moment, and especially for summer, is
All
my
right.
Maybelline. This is the 24-hour super...
So the first thing she says is to use foundation. She said a lot of other stuff about your face, like this oil stuff. I don't have that, so I'm not gonna use it. But I do have this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've always wanted to do this. Oh shit! You see right here? And yeah. Do I look beat yet? Probably not. Let's see what's next.
Concealer time!
Concealer time. My sister let me borrow her NYX HD Studio Photogenic. Oh shit, this is white as
I'm setting my under eyes using the Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline.
I don't have powder.
Morphe M532 brush. I'm just buffing this into the crease to create dimension.
So my sister gave me her old makeup. I'm really excited. Ooh. All these brushes look the same, so I'm gonna use this Morphe one. That's not the other Morphe one. But she kind of used a color, like a light one. So I'm gonna use this one right here. Oh, I think we're adding some dimension in here for sure. So now she's adding like a little orange. So basically blending this bitch. Alright. Now we're gonna add shimmer in the crease, and she used one of these little brushes like this. Yes, Hunter. Alright guys, looks like I got this pretty much like good here. Now she's putting on lashes. Luckily, my sister had lashes that I can use. And yes, they've been worn before. They forget to tell you this on the fucking tutorials, but if you guys are gonna put eyelashes on, use a lot of glue. Alright, so I finally put it on. I look like someone literally sucked the shit out of my left side. Now I have to put mascara. I'm gonna use this Tarte mascara that my sister let me borrow. Almost looks like a tampon. She's adding freckles, guys. I don't even know if I can add freckles to my skin right now. Ooh, look at that, guys. You guys watching that? Ooh, wow, bitch. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, but Alonzo, you're gay. How do you not know how to do makeup? Because not every gay guy knows how to do makeup. Now my nose is beaming. Alright guys, so now she is putting on a red lipstick. Ooh. And I think this is probably gonna be the easiest thing to do. Yeah. I don't know guys, I don't fucking know. Call me Alondra Bomb. Yeah, I look beat. Now I'm ready to go out of the club and you know, f it up. I look like a bronze beauty churro. If you guys ever want that churro look, come and watch my video and I'll guide you guys all through it and make sure you guys get this like bronzy look for the summer. Why do I feel like I look like James Charles too with this hair? All those other beauty gurus have nothing on me. For all you beauty gurus out there, stay strong. Stay strong. The community needs you. You guys must unite and not get all crazy with each other. Anyways guys, that's pretty much my video for the day. I hope you guys got a kick out of this. This is Alonzo Vaughn signing off, and you guys already know what's up. I'll be back with more videos very, very soon. Mwah! Peace out. Is she beat? The next tutorial is probably gonna be an esquite tutorial. This is going under beauty. I cannot get over my highlight though. Am I a glam god? Am I a goddess of beauty now?